In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Todoist themes and appearance. Customizing the look and feel of your Todoist workspace is a simple way to make your task manager feel more personal and easier on your eyes. Whether you want a bright color that keeps you energized or a darker theme that's easier to use at night, Todoist gives you a few quick options you can change in just a minute or two. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Look toward the upper area of the screen, usually on the left-hand side. You'll see your profile icon. This might be a small picture, your initials, or a simple avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps all of your personal and account-related settings. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can adjust different parts of how Todoist works and looks. Take a moment to let it load fully so everything is visible. Inside the settings area, you'll see several different sections or tabs along the side or across the top. Look for the one called Theme. This is the section that controls the colors and overall visual style of your Todoist. Click on Theme to open the appearance options. Now you can start customizing. Here, Todoist will show you a selection of themes, usually represented by color swatches or preview images. You might see options like light themes, dark themes, and a range of accent colors. As you click on each theme, your Todoist interface will usually update right away, giving you a live preview of how it looks. This makes it easy to compare and choose the one you like best. Take a moment to try a few different themes. If you tend to work late at night or in low light, a darker theme can reduce eye strain. If you want something more vibrant and motivating, pick a brighter color that stands out. The key is to choose a theme that makes your daily to-do list pleasant and comfortable to look at. Once you find a theme you're happy with, simply leave the settings window. Your choice is saved automatically, and your new appearance will stay active the next time you open Todoist.